In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix voice chat not working here in Fortnite. This is super simple to fix. And if this guide does help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, I just want to say that you could follow these steps no matter which device you're playing on. And what you're going to want to do is actually go up to the top right corner and select your profile picture to bring up your social icon. And then from here, go ahead and select the settings wheel to bring up your settings menu. From here, go ahead and navigate across the very top until you get in the audio tab. It's going to be that second one up there. And just make sure that your voice chat volume is set to 100%. Everything else in this tab should be fine. From here, move across one more tab until you're in the communication tab. And this one is extremely important. Make sure that your voice chat is set to everybody rather than anything else. You could set it to something like friends and teammates if that's your preference. Just don't have it off. And then for the voice chat method, go ahead and make sure that this is set to open mic, not push to talk. A lot of people accidentally have it on push to talk without knowing their keybind. But from here, go down to your voice chat input device and make sure it's your microphone. And for your voice chat output device, make sure it is your headphones or speakers. Once everything is correct, go ahead and hit apply to lock in those settings. Now, if you are on PC, what you can do is open up your Windows sound settings as well by hitting the little Windows key and then right clicking on your sound settings and opening up those sound settings just like so. And from here, just make sure that you have your output device set to whatever your output should be and your input device set to whatever your microphone should be. It has to match what it is in Fortnite, otherwise it's not going to work. But yeah, that is it. Your voice chat should now be working normally again. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.